You've tried meds and exercises, but that burning, tingling nerve pain won't quit. You're tired of being told this is your new normal, and the thought of relying on pills forever isn't the answer. But what if the best tools for fighting your nerve pain weren't at the pharmacy? Today, we're revealing science backed natural strategies to quiet the pain and help you get your life back. That constant burning, numbness doesn't just hurt, it steals your joy and makes you feel like a prisoner in your own body. For too long, the only answer has been to mask the symptoms with medications, and they have their own problems. But new science shows that neuropathy is deeply tied to root causes like inflammation, circulation issues, and nutrient gaps. This means you have more control than you think. This isn't about ignoring your doctor, it's about adding evidence-based tools to your toolkit. We'll explore how to fight inflammation from your spice rack, how specific nutrients protect your nerves, and how a simple lifestyle shift can make a huge difference. If you're ready to start truly living again, let's dive in. One of the most potent anti-inflammatories isn't at the pharmacy, it's likely in your spice rack. I'm talking about turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse for fighting the inflammation that drives nerve pain. Chronic nerve pain is fueled by inflammation, and curcumin works by blocking those inflammatory pathways. Research suggests its effects are comparable to some over-the-counter drugs without being harsh on your stomach. It's not just masking pain, it's calming the irritation at the source. For extra support, consider ginger and boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense. Ginger also fights inflammation and boosts circulation, while boswellia works on a complementary pathway. But here's the key, your body struggles to absorb curcumin alone. Always have it with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in the pepper can boost absorption by up to 2,000%. Combining it with a healthy fat like olive oil also helps. Make these spices a daily habit to give your nerves a calmer environment to heal. Your second surprising fact is a European neuropathy secret is hiding in your diet. A powerful antioxidant, alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, has been a go-to treatment for diabetic neuropathy in Germany for decades. What makes ALA special is that it's both water and fat soluble, meaning it can protect every cell in your body. Its main job is to fight oxidative stress. Think of it as cellular rust that damages your delicate nerve cells. ALA neutralizes this damage and helps keep recycling the antioxidants like vitamin C. Clinical studies show that 600 milligrams of ALA daily can significantly reduce your symptoms like burning and tingling. While you can find small amounts in spinach and broccoli, a therapeutic dose usually requires supplementation. This ties into a bigger point. Your diet is a powerful weapon. An anti-inflammatory diet rich in omega-3s and colorful vegetables give your nerves the raw materials to repair, while cutting back on sugar and processed foods can stop the fanning the flames of inflammation. Your third surprising fact, the most powerful circulation booster is free. When you're in pain, moving is the last thing you want to do. But here's the surprise. Gentle movement is one of the most effective things you can do, and it's free. Low-impact exercise like walking, swimming, or yoga tackles a core problem: poor circulation. Damaged nerves are starved for oxygen and nutrients. Movement acts as a natural circulation booster, opening up blood vessels to deliver nutrient-rich blood to the nerve endings in your hands and feet. This nourishes the nerves and flushes out waste products. For those with diabetic neuropathy, exercise is also crucial for controlling blood sugar, a key factor to preventing further nerve damage. Another free and effective therapy is a warm bath. Soaking encourages blood vessels to open, soothing that pins and needles feeling. Add Epsom salts for a dose of nerve-calming magnesium. Just remember, if you have any numbness, test the water first. Make sure it's not too hot to burn you. A daily walk or a regular bath isn't a temporary fix. It's a long-term investment in your body's healing. If you're finding this useful and are ready to take back control of your nerve health, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about bringing you science-backed natural health solutions every single week. And drop a comment below. Which one of these facts has surprised you the most so far? Comment natural relief if you've already tried any of these. All right, let's get to our next surprising fact. Surprising fact number 4. By quieting your mind, you can literally quiet your nerves. The mind-body connection is a physiological reality. For nerve pain, stress is like gasoline on a fire. It releases cortisol, which increases inflammation and makes your nerves even more sensitive. This creates a vicious cycle. Pain causing stress, stress amplifies pain. The surprise is that you can interrupt this cycle. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and Tai Chi can change how your brain processes pain. Tai Chi, with its slow, mindful movements, have been shown to improve balance and function for people with neuropathy by retraining the brain-body connection. Meditation teaches you to observe pain without the automatic reaction of fear, which can literally turn down the volume on your pain signals by changing your brain activity. Even simple, deep belly breathing can have an immediate effect. It activates your vagus nerve, which shifts your body out of the high alert mode and lowering your stress hormones and calming your entire nervous system. These tools aren't about ignoring pain. They're about managing your body's response to it. So, to recap, managing nerve pain goes far beyond the prescription pad. It's about working with your body. We learned that curcumin in your spice rack fights inflammation at its source. We uncovered alpha lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerves from damage. We saw how simple habits like a daily walk boost circulation to nourish starved nerves. And we explored how practices like meditation can physically change your brain's relationship with pain. The common thread here is empowerment. Each of these strategies gives you a piece of control back. They aren't magic bullets, but when used consistently and discussed with your healthcare provider, they can make a real difference. You are not powerless. By using these natural approaches, you're creating an environment for your body to heal and take active steps to reclaim your life from pain. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you want to go even deeper into building an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, make sure you check out our other videos on the channel. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. We'll see you in the next video.